Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use Ace Studio. In order to do so, here we are at acestudio.ai, and what is Ace Studio all about? It's your all-in-one AI music studio. AI vocals, instruments, voice cloning, stem splitting, music generating, and more, all in one place, and you can get started free. Explore Ace Studio's AI music features, vocal synth, AI instruments, but the big thing here that you may want to take a look at if you are a filmmaker, an AI animated filmmaker, then we have the Video Composer. An AI agent that understands your video. The AI agent analyzes every scene and cut across the timeline and knows what's happening and understands the mood of each scene with music that perfectly fits your video and captures every movement with sound effects. The AI will add sound effects one by one to capture every moment, and you can edit them in the timeline. So that is really awesome. You're getting both your video, you're getting both your music for your video, and you're also getting sound effects as well. So let's go ahead and see how much it's going to cost to get started. I'm gonna scroll here on the main screen, go all the way down. We've got our pricing here, and you could see that Ace is offering something pretty neat. We've got a rent for 2 years, access forever option. So that's pretty cool. And for the artist, you're getting that at $16.58, and then for the Artist Pro, you're looking at $22 a month. So it says here, build yearly. So that is the question there. So yes, can confirm, build yearly. So this actually works out to be about $300, nigh on $300 for the first year, and then again for the second year. Yes, $282.33 Canadian per year. So bear that in mind if you are interested in using Ace Studio. Great for filmmakers. A little bit inaccessible as far as the subscription goes, but also you can pay for it and then get complete 100% access lifetime after you have build $282.33 Canadian twice per year. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Cintra and use our promo code SKILLCRAFT60 to get 60% off your first month's subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. Use our referral link and you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.